In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the sound of your iPad is not working. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just press the volume up button and increase the volume of your iPad. And also swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, just increase this volume slider to max. And after that, just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to settings. And under settings, just scroll down and tap on sounds. Now from here, just increase the slider for ringtones and alerts. And also if the toggle for silent mode has been enabled, just turn it off from here. After that, just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen of your iPad goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. After the restart process has been completed, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, just open the connection section. Now just check if Bluetooth has been enabled on your iPad or not. If Bluetooth is turned on, just turn it off. Because sometimes when Bluetooth is enabled on your iPad might automatically connect to your Bluetooth headphones or to any other external speaker, and this is why sound might not be coming out of the speakers of your iPad. So just turn off Bluetooth and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to settings. And under settings, just tap on accessibility. Under the accessibility settings, just scroll down and tap on audio and visual. From here, just look for the option for mono audio. If this option is enabled, just turn it off. After that, just scroll down and make sure that this balance slider is set to the middle. If this balance slider is either on the left or on the right side, you will face sound problems out of the speakers of your iPad. So just make sure you set this slider to the middle. Now, after you do that, just unplug your iPad if there is any cable plugged into your iPad. Now, after that, just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go to settings. And under settings, just tap on general. Under the general settings, just tap on transfer or reset iPad, then tap on reset. And from this pop-up menu, just select reset all settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on reset. And by doing this, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You'll just reset all the settings of your iPad in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix if sound is not working on your iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.